Class 10 Political Science, Chapter 6 Political Parties, Part 1. In our previous video, we have learned about gender and politics, religion, communalism and politics, caste and politics. Today, we are going to learn about political parties as vehicle of federal sharing of political powers and as a negotiator of social divisions in the arena of democratic politics. Political parties are one of the most visible institutions in a democracy. For the most ordinary citizen, democracy is equal to the political party. This reflects fundamental political division in a society. Let us see what is political parties. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest election and hold power in the government. They try to persuade people why their policies are better than others. They seek to implement these policies by winning popular support through elections. Parties are a part of the society and thus involve partisanship. Let us see what is partisanship. A person who is strongly committed to a party, a tendency to take a side, and inability to take a balanced view on an issue is known as partisanship. Thus, party is known by which party it stands for, which policies it supports, and whose interests it upholds. Political party has three components: the leader, the active members, and the followers. The political parties perform various functions. Parties contest election in most democracies. Elections are mainly fought among the candidates put up by political parties. In USA, members and supporters of the party choose its candidate. Next, parties put forward different policies and programs. A party reduces a vast multitude of opinion into a few basic positions it supports. A government's policy is based on the line taken by the ruling party. Next, parties play a decisive role in making laws for a country. Laws are debated and passed in the legislature. Next, parties form and run governments. Parties recruit leaders, trains them, and make them minister to run the government in the way they want. Those parties that lose election play the role of opposition to parties in power. Parties shape public opinion, they raise and highlight issues. Next, parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare schemes implemented by governments. It is easy to approach a local party leader than a government officer. That is why they feel close to parties even when they do not fully trust them. Parties have to be responsive to people's need, otherwise they can be rejected by the people. In the next video, we will learn necessity of political parties. Thanks.